In the shipping industry sector, structural failure is a major cause of the loss of ships, vessels, and tankers, resulting in loss of life and pollution of the world's oceans, seas, and the coastal waters of Europe. Each year, dozens of ships sink, many as a result of weakened structures due to corrosion and poor welding quality. Most of the inspection techniques used today are proven to be disruptive to the manufacturing process and are far from cost-effective. New generations of ships are being built from thinner section steels to lower the cost of build and ship operations. So typical assessment methods are not as effective as they were for thicker sections. Therefore, there is a real need for a more reliable, faster, cost-effective, and safer inspection technique. A technique like the X-scan system. X-scan is a novel inspection system that inspects the weld and classifies it by means of laser, ultrasound, and electromagnetic methods. X-scan uses a crawling robot that deploys remote volumetric, surface, and visual inspection to verify the integrity of welds on the hull plates of ships during manufacture and in the service of shipping vessels. By combining ultrasonic phased array, electromagnetic ACFM, and laser optical methods, this system is aimed at the detection and sizing of surface breaking and subsurface flaws. A laser-based tracking system and a self-control robot have been developed to allow the automatic inspection following the weld run.
The subject of this project is to respond to a need of faster, more reliable and automated inspection techniques in order to inspect ships. Since the industry has a particular need to inspect welds in case of structural failures, which could cause loss in terms of ships, life, pollution, and always costs.
X-scan is a collaboration between EU companies and research organizations. Their objective is to develop and produce novel inspection techniques and devices for the assessment of thin steel gauge welds for the shipping industry.
The X-scan consortium consists of 7 collaborators from 4 member states, including 3 SMEs, each representing a different EU country. The X-scan collaborators are TWI, Brunel University, Inora, Technitest, Vermin, Spectrum Labs, and Lloyd's Register.
The benefit for the SMEs of this project is, first of all, research in order to see whether yes or no the process is valid. Second of all, this project would give a better idea of automation in NDT for ships in several conditions. For the moment it's in dry dock, but this project can be expanded to marinize the robot, for example, and maybe adding couple more inspection techniques onto it.
The X-scan technologies will be usable on both new and old builds. The device will enable the volumetric inspection of thin gauge welds and consequently the detection of surface breaking and subsurface flaws such as porosity, lack of penetration, lack of fusion, cracking, etc.
As a project, it is a very good project and innovative one, which covers most of the NDE techniques like visual inspection, surface inspections and volumetric inspections, which are done individually today. All these 3 are combined together so that you can carry out automatically and single time, which saves time and money, which is the need of the hour today. The project goes well and the prototype looks good, but it looks a bit massive. A few more steps will make it smaller and more user-friendly. I'm quite happy with the projects and its results.
The X-scan project is developing novel, automated NDT techniques, both ultrasonic and electromagnetic, for ship structures. X-scan will enable significant technological progress to be made in a challenging area that has seen little development work to date. The new ultrasonic system will provide defect imaging and analysis at much greater convenience and speed than currently exists.
Like as an entity supplier for equipment and systems, we work with different sectors like refineries, shipping manufacturers and service companies. It will be really interesting to have this unique system for the application.
X-scan increases scientific understanding of the transmission of phased array generated ultrasonic waves in thin plate materials and welds. Increases scientific understanding of the interaction of ACFM generated fields with defects in thin plate weld materials. X-scan is a reliable, fast, cost-effective, and safe technique that uses innovative technology to verify the integrity of welds, both during the manufacture of and while servicing shipping vessels.